Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and today we're going to go over 3 of the truly free tax filing apps for 2023. Preparing your taxes in the United States have gotten so much more complicated and so much more expensive as time has gone on. As we endeavor to try to create passive incomes for ourselves through cryptocurrency or through investing, there is really not many ways to get around Tax Form 1040A. Whether you are a small business or you are going to use cryptocurrency or make money off of it or doing some trading, you cannot file those taxes that are due on a 1040EZ form. You have to have supplement forms. Now, obviously, we are not a tax professional here, but these are just some of the ins and outs that you're going to run into when you try to file your taxes. And in doing so, you're going to incur some fees, whether you go through an accounting or if you use a tax providing software program. These things are now getting into the hundreds of dollars. Now, a lot of people have problems with paying taxes, paying a fee just to pay your taxes. It's becoming a kind of a battle cry for anyone, especially individuals trying to get into small business and create passive income. But there are some avenues out there that are provided to us via the IRS's own webpage, the apps.irs.gov webpage. We'll provide a list of programs that might suit your need. We're going to go over 3 of them right now that will offer most users in most states totally free tax filing status with e-file, and always federally free. So let's talk about those right now. The first one we're going to talk about is the IRS Free File by TaxSlayer. There's a button there so you can see if you qualify. Primarily, you just have to be under the age of 58 with an adjusted gross income of $73,000. Okay, or if you're eligible for the earned income credit, you would qualify, or if you are active duty military with an AGI, an adjusted gross income of $73,000 or less. Now that figure is going to come up a lot in some of these apps. There are some out there that are completely free but no free state filing, and their AGI is about $43,000. We're not going to go over those today, but you'll see the rest of them on that website. There is a fee for some states, but not all. It's about 20 of them that are really free, and if you do not qualify for the free state file on this site, it'll only be $40. And if you don't qualify for the federal, it's only $30. So $70 total to have your taxes filed on this site. The next one is OLT, Online Taxes. Now this one too has an adjusted gross income of between $11,000 and $73,000. Okay, the benefits of using this online taxes is a free e-file provider. You get a 100% guarantee of accuracy, and say free customer service 7 days a week. That is a good mix. However, when you set up your program, you're going to have to go through a few kind of questions. There is an option for Google Authenticator to provide extra security for your login purposes. Take these things with care when you're trying to file your taxes. Okay, and finally, the one I've used in the past, TaxAct. Now, TaxAct, again, you have to be between 20 and 64 years old, so you get a little bit older, the same $73,000 AGI, active military, same amount. You're free to file on this application if you are in 7 states. That's Arizona, Idaho, Montana, North Dakota, Rhode Island, Vermont, Washington State, and West Virginia. Now, all the other states, you're going to have to pay. And what's the amount that you're going to be paying? Free states requirements is $40. Now, for most of us, this will be enough to go ahead and get your taxes done. But if you do find yourself in some situations where you definitely need to contact a professional, please do. You do not want to ever get into a situation where you do not pay or underpay your taxes. Make sure you're doing everything you can to keep your business adventure, your journey alive, and come back and see us when you're done with your taxes and let us know how your experience was. Please let me know in the comment section whether or not this was at all helpful. We do appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for joining us on Black Investors Matter.